welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today's video is going to be a vlog kind of video. So I hope all of you will be having a very good time. So today's video is a super chill video and I'll be taking you through all the things which I do during the entire day. Now the first thing which I need to do is I'm going to film another video. So I'll just go quickly and film the video and then we'll be continuing with the vlog. So yeah, see, here are all the ingredients for my home remedy wala video. So I'll see you guys after I film that video. So now the another important thing which we need to do is cleaning our brushes, because guys, your brush have direct contact with your skin, so you need to keep them clean and it's very important to maintain the hygiene there. So we'll be cleaning the brushes and then we'll go off with something else. Here are all the brushes which I've used and I have to clean them. I also have other brushes. I'll just gather all of them here. So you guys, here I have gathered all my brushes which I have to clean, and now let me just show you what all things I have taken. I have filled these 2 baskets with water, then I have this brushes, then this one is the brush cleaner which I got along with the brush set, so we'll clean using this one. And I have this hand wash right here, so this is the hand wash. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, what I'm gonna do is I have this dirty brushes, right? So I'm gonna dip this in clean water right here. So I'll just dip them inside. I'm gonna take this cleaner. I'm gonna take some hand wash on the cleaner, right? I'm also gonna put some on in this water. Taking the brush and I'm just gonna rub it over this one. So you guys, I have cleaned almost all the brushes and I have a napkin right here and I have put all the brushes on the napkin so that it can be cleaned. And now I have a few more brushes to be like this. And then I have the brush right here and I just need to rub it over again. The eyeshadow brushes are the toughest to clean because there's a lot of color over that. So yeah. So you guys, here are all the brushes which I cleaned. Just look at them. It's squeaky clean and looks just like new brushes. You can just see. So yeah, and this is the water. Hey you guys, so I also need to upload one video today. So now we'll just go and upload that video. So you guys, here's the laptop and the video is just being copied. So we'll just upload that one. So guys, the video is 51% uploaded and it's still going to take 10-15 minutes. So yeah. Okay you guys, so now we are gonna make some French fries. So let's get into the kitchen. So let's begin with our chef mode. So here I have all the potatoes here and let's begin. Starting off with peeling the potatoes. By the way, my mom is doing this. She's peeling the potatoes and I'm just filming this. So I'm gonna fast forward the entire process because it takes too much time. If you want to watch the entire video, go to my food channel. I'll upload the video there. So yeah. So there's a new method by which I'm making fries this time, and actually it's a mixture of 2 methods which I already use. So the fries turned out really good and crispy and just like the fries we have outside. And I know all of us love fries, so why not? So I just chose this one. Also coating it with some corn flour and making more crispy. And as you can see, I also refrigerated them and there's a lot of process which goes behind it. So I'll put the detailed video on food channel. You can just check it out. So finally our fries are ready and some aesthetic shots are necessary, Look at this ball of happiness, looks too good and it also tasted amazing. So yeah, try it out. So definitely I'm gonna have this now and I'll see you back after that. So guys, my camera battery just went off, so I'm ending the vlog right here because already it's night time and I was about to end the vlog. So yeah, I hope you might have enjoyed this vlog.